Why does 1 equals true but 2 not equal true in Python? Possible duplicate, is false equals 0 and true equals 1 in Python an implementation detail, or is it guaranteed by the language? A brief transcript from my interactive console. Why on earth is this the case? Edit. For the sake of contrast, consider the is operator. That makes a lot of sense because though 1 and true both mean the same thing as the condition of an if statement, they really aren't the same thing. Edit again. More fun consequences of 1 equals true.
Because Boolean in Python is a subtype of integers. From the documentation, Boolean values are the two constant objects false and true. They are used to represent truth values, although other values can also be considered false or true. In numeric contexts, for example when used as the argument to an arithmetic operator, they behave like the integers 0 and 1, respectively. The built-in function bool can be used to cast any value to a Boolean. If the value can be interpreted as a truth value, see section Truth Value Testing above. This URL.
Because instances of bool are also instances of int in Python, true happens to be equals to integer 1. Take a look at this example.
It's standard binary conventions. 1 is true, 0 is false. It's like 1 means on in machine language, and 0 means off. Because of this the bool type is just a subtype of int in Python, with 1 equals true, and 0 equals false. However, any non-zero numeric value will be evaluated as true in a conditional statement.
Once upon a time, in Python less than 2.3, there was no Boolean type, no false or true, only 0 and 1. Then PEP 285 came along and thus they were added to the language. They were defined so that true equals 1 and false equals 0, probably for reasons of backwards compatibility.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.